I'm Abby Gitlitz, and I'm the director of the Bloomington Creative Glass Center, and today we are going to show you how we make one of our famous blown glass pumpkins. Get the glass out of the furnace. I'm going to get some color on it. And this is crushed colored glass. It's called frit. And we buy this already colored and already crushed. Touch this glass onto that metal table, it starts to cool down. And when it cools down, it gets hard. So I have to heat it back up again. And I'm just going to keep doing that over and over and over, letting it cool down, heating it back up again. The air molecules inside get excited, they want to move, and boom, they expand the glass. Now I'm going to heat it up again because it's already getting cold. And for me, cold, this is probably, 1400 degrees. And then I'm going to come and drop it into a mold. And the mold will give my pumpkin its distinctive ridges. And I can't make the stem by myself. I need to have a partner to do that. He has gathered some glass out of the furnace and he's putting it on another rod. Now, I'm going to blow up and shape my pumpkin. When you're blowing glass, your two hands are doing two totally separate things in different rhythms. Your feet are doing different things. And ever so often you have to blow. You never do the same thing for more than a minute. It's enormously satisfying. It's a nice way to introduce people to glass without having the pressure of it has to look perfect. I'm going to put one drop of water, and that drop of water is enough to shock that and solidify it. And I torch the bottom because where I just broke it is sharp. And then we put it in this kiln, and at the end of our day today, it will start to cool down very slowly to room temperature, but that'll take about 12 hours. In my lifetime, I have probably made close to 5,000 pumpkins. I don't get sick of them. You want to make another pumpkin?